Good morning, guys. Good morning. It's currently 6:30 in the morning. Just woke up. I have to take a shower because today we're going hiking. I'm so tired right now. I've got a mini barbs, I think. So basically I'm gonna take a shower. 7 o'clock they're gonna be here to pick me up, and yeah, let's go. Hey, ai người bé rồi nếu hay cầm chặt không? Good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Maria.
You are fat Satsang. Content creator go get me ready. Alright, check. Babalas, check. Babalas, check. Save after hike, check. I think go 5. I feel like red.
You don't feel like blue? No.
10 kilometers in the Ganan.
Take this one.
The last time that balegi fine running 5k. But again, I must walk and down.
It's 5 and 5 back each other.
5 back.
So
2.5.
2.5. This one will be 5. So which means 10. And they ask alone, I can try.
Simam, try 10?
Yeah. So
it's just G. Must try 10.
Take the blue.
We're taking the blue.
I must get some 30 minutes.
Because I find myself follow we shake it. Pinches by. Yes. Okay. Emergency number. Okay, so we are going to be taking the blue. 10k is blue. So Sitashim cooking. And cost safe can tell my lap him for Cobillion. And you guys Bugeli movies. Uba ONM to all tattoo I lost the back. That's what you can say from me. Sanbonan bagay makaya. Abahan chike afa sebefuna ujika. Mna nomamsa siyaqhubeka. Silake sibacenga uba guys masingajiki. But ke kuba ke ndiba leader and bazoba nazo spirit sokuqhubeka baqhubha. Nisiva njani? Kathleen? Very successful kila Trenton adrenaline. Sayibiza ngantoni le nto
Almost
sigqoke?
suspension bridge. Almost.
Almost suspension bridge.
Suspension bridge inendawo emacaleni.
Emacaleni. I-suspense bridge ke leyo ingona suspension. I know, trust me. Woo!
What a wow.
What a stick. Up is a kubele. What if siyapha kulamzi? Pit stop bazalwane. Bantu badiniwe. Bantu bajule istick phansi. Bajula amanzi phansi. Afuna ukuphinda emva. Kawenza ibhosha sibantu bawukhathala.
No. The aim is not to sweat.
Oh, can you
The
see?
aim is not to sweat, dog.
Cheers, man.
No.
What do you know? We don't know how far we are. But here you'll find the female human species, also known as a Homo sapien, currently in its natural habitat. Sometimes the female will gaze and the male will lead to try and find some remains of any animal that is dead. If you look at the male species, he pretends to be tired in order to draw the prey closer to him. The mother usually leads its cubs to safety and hopefully to the end of the hiking trail. From me, reporting live from the trails of South Coast, South Africa. Thank you. Yes, I am. We did it, ladies and gentlemen. We did it. How do you feel? How do you feel? Well done. Team 10K! Team 10K! Oh, boom, 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 boom. Oh, zoom, doom, 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 doom. So, boom, 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 boom. Oh, boom, 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 boom. Oh, boom, 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 boom. Wash up, wash up, wash up.
Okay. I thought about it.
Mr. Msoa, what's up? How do you feel?
Yeah.
Completing a whole 10K?
Never again.
That's fun, never again. Mama, usiva njani?
I am okay.
Are you okay? Okay. These zinto zakho ke vele. So we just dropped Zintle off here, but he thinks they're closing clickers.
What does the plates have to do with anything?
They're hiding something. It's too high. Don't fence something. Yeah, but there you go.
But it wasn't too
But it wasn't too bad. Now I also feel like it wasn't.
It wasn't too hectic.
That's what I enjoyed the most.
Was having people.
You must be like super sober. Like,
Definitely.
Yeah, guys,
the
also
barbs,
advice to
Maybe
beginners.
Don't be barbalazed. Don't be dagiwelaman to the night before you go on a hike. It's a good thing that like we literally tried something new. I'm so happy that we tried this. This is my mom's cap, first of all. Can we not make fun of my mom's fashion sense? Thank you very much. Oh, hey guys, I literally just got back from the hike. Noah dropped me off and oh my god, that is all I can say. It was such a beautiful hike. Oh gosh guys, such a beautiful hike. That's literally me right there. Just got home. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. We did 10Ks and we are just super excited about everything. And I got so much content for you guys. So I got so much content for you guys, but anyways, you guys, I'm finally home now. Thank you so much for watching this vlog, and I hope it was a good effort on my behalf, and I guess I'll see you guys next time.